What up? What up? New week. It is a new week. Oh, man. Cool. Come on. Just feels like we're in some grind. Straight up grind. It's exactly what this feels like. I only took really one trade today. If you're watching, I was busy doing stuff earlier this morning. So just kind of getting in now. Here we go. Lock it. Lock it in. Good morning, everybody. Everybody stay up late watching the football game? Yo, what up, Corey? Oh, man. Dude, I stayed up and watched that crap game. At least make it close. Mahomes looks so bad. So bad. I'm just setting up my my stuff. Let's see if we get a pullback. Dude, they had like 23 yards at halftime. I don't understand what was going on. 23 yards at halftime was a little bit ridiculous. Just saying. I'm looking to short this actually. My stop will be 78. I want to see if it changes though. Little trend change. Little 1045, 1030, 1045 reversal here. Or is it just going to keep going? Boom. I feel like a little pullback would be nice. Nothing big. Maybe to the pivot point, 56. What's up, Mad Boxy? Good morning. Dude. I didn't see this coming because China had retaliated with tariffs yesterday. And, Weekend Wall Street, I don't know if you follow Weekend Wall Street ever, but Weekend Wall Street had the market down a bunch. And then it came right back. Came right back. As long as we hold, I'll take one off here. Just scalping a little bit, get some money in here, pepper the accounts up a little bit. This isn't a funded, like I'm not going to take a funded account trade up 288 points without a pullback. I want to see it. I want to see it pull back. What up, Jay Styles? What up? What up? Dude, I'm exhausted from the Valor King. What up? What's going on, man? I am exhausted from watching the I had people over at my house. And then my kid didn't want to go to school today because they were tired. I was like, are you kidding me? That's why I didn't trade this morning. My kid who leaves to go to school at 8 o'clock didn't leave to go to school until like 9:45. She couldn't find pants. She told me none of the pants matched, and she wants to go back to sleep. I was like, are you crazy? Oh, shit. Apex rebuild the fuck out of me this week. I got to go delete a bunch of accounts that I didn't even know. I didn't even know I had. Didn't even know I had. I woke up this morning to all these rebuild messages. So I can't believe we're almost at 22,000. Apex got me good, man. Apex got me real good. You know what's crazy is I was in the platform last week and I deleted a bunch. I deleted a ton. And then they just got me over the weekend. Big time. Unbelievable. That's how they get you. You're like, got him. Like that guy holding the cell phone. Got him. These nuts. Unbelievable. So yeah, I got. I just deleted two more. I just canceled two more. The thing is though, they're at the 80%, so they're only $33 compared to whatever the fuck they're at now. So I got my order in. Come down, baby. I mean, now that I got these evals, I'm probably going to slam one right now. The second I buy, it goes the other way. Do not go over there. Do not. Get back down. Get back down. Yeah. That's right. You get back down. Come on, touch the 34. I don't like this if it goes back over. I can tell you that right now. I'm getting out. Oh, geez. Playing with me. Come on, little bear flag action. Drop. Bear flag it and drop. If it gets over here, I'm probably going to get out. It's just an eval. I'm not trading any funded account here. Dude, that was just fucking delayed. That's weird. I wonder why it was so delayed. I do have an order waiting at right here for a bounce off the 34 if we get down there. I'm just waiting. Waiting. I also have, if you watch my videos over the weekend, I have a couple of the indicators that I back tested up on my other monitor. I'll let you know when they trigger and then we can get in. I can't have all this stuff on one monitor. It's just impossible. So it is what it is. Oh! Crossing back up over the thing. Back over the hourly orb. Yo, what up, Sean? What's up, man? I'm hoping I can get some back-tested trades today. Dude, I barely traded today. And Apex just rebuild the shit out of me. What up, Lee? What are you guys doing? Oh, man. I think everyone's just freaking hungover from Super Bowl. What do you think? We're going to 22,000, I guess? I thought we would have a nice choppy-ass day, but we're just kind of grinding up. Hello, George Bloom. What up, what up? Let's make some of this money here. I mean, anybody know why we're up so much? Because China threw tariffs on us, so I didn't understand. China did the tariffs to retaliate. Weekend Wall Street had us down a bunch, and then it came all the way back. It opened down and ripped it open. Anybody know what the deal is? I have done zero pre-market research today due to the Super Bowl. None of that. You do nothing. My kids didn't want to go to school today, so I had to handle that all morning. That is correct. That was correct. I was looking for something like that, but yeah, it's just an eval, Marco. I got rebuild a bunch. Wow, my neck is killing me. Oh, where? Whoo! Oh. Yo, what up, Racer? Anybody hit any parlays, any big parlays? I hit one parlay, $10 to make 250. That was my big parlay hit. I don't really bet money, just throwing it out there, but that was my big win, which basically covered all my other bets. I bet $250 on just random parlays. And I hit one, which covered all the other nonsense, the degenerate nonsense that I did. Whew. So I actually have an order and I'm going to cancel it. I tried to play the opening range today. My kid was yelling at me. I was in the wrong account, didn't copy trade. It was like a big fucking crap today. I had a rough morning. But we're about to turn this shit around. We're about to turn it around here. Oh. Why are we up so fucking much today? Anybody know why we're up? We do have earnings this week, by the way. We actually have big earnings this week. Maybe not as big as Google and whatnot, but we do have a bunch. McDonald's did today. We have CPI this week. We have PPI this week. We have Coca-Cola. We have Shopify tomorrow. Coca-Cola tomorrow. Oh shit! I just got it. Oh, I didn't wait till it fucking closed. Are you kidding me? Yo, I just got alerted, but I just got alerted on a short, but it didn't. The candle didn't close, so it didn't. It didn't do it. Oh, did you guys hear the noise that just went off? I just had premature short elation. There it is. There we fucking go. Rip it back up off the 34. Does it rip back off the 34? All the way up? I got a bad fucking feel. I went half size. I went half size on this, and I'm in short. This is in short, in half size. I got to stop in, and I'm looking for a complete trend change right here. I'm all in. Come on. Yo, what up? Flip, flip, flip. If this gets back over the 9, which is that purple line, it kind of invalidates my thoughts. Just throwing it out there for anybody who's watching. I want to see it stay below the 9. Stay below the 9. I want to see it give up this 34, and then I think we'll have a nice Flushy McFlusherson here. All right, so I took off that because the drawdown would have fucking killed me. I am moving my stop all the way to 74. I'm moving my. I mean, you guys could take profit because you're probably fucking golden right now. I'm testing something out. I'm testing this fucking thing out right now. This looks really bullish, to be completely honest with you. I'm literally back testing this script that I looked at this weekend. That was a good trade. Oh man, this thing's taking forever to fucking load. Oh baby. Oh baby. Just moving my stop down. I just kind of feel like if we get over this high, it will continue probably up to the top. I'm just following something on this screen that I back tested, and we'll see what happens, right? Boom. So we're approaching the pivot point at 55. So it's probably not a bad place to take profit if you're in, but definitely move your stops down. I'm just watching. We're watching. Flush it, baby. Flush it. Just, why is this not working correctly over here? Does the UT bot count as using bots? No, it does not. They are looking for you using something that automates trading, that it's constantly making trades over and over and over again. They don't want to see, like, 30 trades a minute or 30 trades every 5 minutes. They're looking for things like that, as in bot trading. UT bot is just what they call the indicator. This is going to go. Just throwing it out there. This looks like it's going to really fucking go. I'm perfectly okay. I was just literally following something I back tested. If it goes, it goes. If it dies, it dies. But we'll see. No, man. Keep it going. Oh, geez. Was that like news or something? That was fucking weird. That was super weird. So in theory, the stop should be 894 is where the stop would be on this is when I, well, no, sorry. 884 would be where the stop would be. 884 brings you to right here. Would have stopped you out. Okay. Okay. That's in. I got my. That's why you forward test these things. That's why you forward test them. Is that? I'm trying. I got to go back to the video. Was it? It was either the top of this yellow line was the stop, or it was this candle. I got to go look to see what my rules say. What up, Walter? Dude. Oh, I didn't play the opening range trade today correctly at all. My kid was screaming. I don't know if you played it. Did it hit? It looks like it would have hit. Maybe to one side, 59. You got destroyed? Somebody told me when they were doing it that the fills are fucked up, by the way. How's that sound? What was your stop? It touched the bottom and went to stop loss. Somebody told me that when they did it, they weren't getting filled at the they told me they weren't getting filled where they put the orders in. How's that sound? All right, so your candle would have been right here. Oh shit. So it came down and basically wicked right here and then shot over. You would have gotten stopped out and then you would have gotten back in. You would have got stopped out and then you would have got back in at 768 and you would have gotten it to the upside. You would have been 1 for 2. That's what would have happened today. Yeah, you would have got caught right here. You would have got stopped out from 60. You would have taken 8-point loss, and then you would have gotten in at 68. You should be down 4 points. Oh, well, it's the size of the candle is the stop. But yeah, you should be down whatever 4 points is. So 4 points plus 4 points at, if I do 3, I would be down, I don't know, 200 and something bucks, $280, $60. Oh, baby. Is this thing really gonna play out? Dude, if this thing plays out, 72. I'm taking my money off, but if I get a little bounce, I'm going to re-enter. I'm watching the thing. This is the thing we back tested this weekend. So I'm just kind of digging around with that right now. The win rate was really freaking high. It was like 86% high. It was 28 for 33. A little bouncy, little bounce. I mean, I don't really see I don't see a great trade setup, to be honest with you. It just seems like we ran a bunch. I'm not looking at this being like, oh, this is where I'm going to jump in with all my funded accounts, but I am going to follow. I kind of want to follow this thing and just see where it plays out. See what happens. I would say there's not much room to the downside, only because you got the pivot point down at 56. Damn, Baba. What'd you catch? Just basically this trend up? What'd you get? The grind up and just fucking just held like a freaking G? This short is playing out too. What did I say? 56 was my take. Yeah, so we hit we hit 55, 56. Yo, I went to sleep? What, did you go to sleep for an hour? What are you taking cat naps over there? Somebody told me that they buy at open and just hold. I was talking to somebody and they're like, yeah, I just buy it open on XFAs and hold. And they're like, he was like profitable with them. Because, you know, bouncing right off the pivot point. Just return. Pivot points at 55.25. I mean, we got close enough. That strategy has worked out for me many times. Position size matters. Size always matters, Visible. Always. Yeah, you know what? You know, when we're just ripping constantly, I guess you could just buy it open. Buy the dip. BTD, baby. Crude oil, dude, I suck at trade. I don't trade crude oil. I don't trade gold. I don't know. Oh my god, I might drink a Celsius in my coffee today. That's how tired I am. I am so freaking tired. COVID doesn't happen all the time. It happens when the market has dumped a lot. I've been testing this strategy when the market goes up and dumps a few hundred points and closes. So you just buy, you're talking about the crude market, or you're talking about the NQ? Dude, Sean, man. Yo, Super Bowl was awful, but I had to stay up and watch the freaking end of it. Like, the score makes it look like it was a decent game at like 44-22, but it was literally like 40-6. it was bad. NQ and crude. Yo, what's the energy drink of choice for you there, Sean? Are you a Celsius guy? You're loving it? I want to see a good game. Like, I don't care if the Eagles win, but like, I want to see it go down to like at least the fourth quarter. At least like, yeah, I got it on right. I got it. So here it is. It triggered, and I believe the stop loss is 894. 894 is the stop loss. And I should just buy it. I'm going to buy like some micros, and we're just going to play with it, I guess. There we go. So I'm in. I'm playing the system. First form? I don't even know what first form is. I honestly, man, I only drink second form. I skip right past first form and go right to second form. Yo, what up, CT? Yeah, dude, somebody in the chat was talking about it. Best supplement company ever. Yo, I thought Dakota was a chick for like fucking months, by the way. Just throwing it out there. Everybody kept saying Dakota. I literally thought it was some chick for fucking months. Until somebody told me it was a dude. Fuck, man. Tired. I'll look it up. When you buy it, are you buying the powder or are you buying, is it like a ready drink thing that you just got to shake up in the morning? How is it consumed? Yo, I'm just gonna leave this guy right here. Actually, can I get him right here? My little trading buddy. Oh, it's canned. A ton of supplements in it. Yeah, I'll take a peek. I'm Yo, you love those? The YouTube shorts? Yo. Yo, if nobody's watched it before, I'll throw it in here. Let me see if I can find it. I got it. I got it. You guys can watch it real quick. Yo, don't click on the wrong link and get your cheeks clapped. Yo, I'll take a look, Sean. Yo, I laugh. I have fun making these, by the way. I laugh so fucking hard. I got that one and I got this one. How do I like the market today? Honestly, not like a huge fan. I don't really know why we're up so much, because they came out with China said that they were going to tariff us. The market dumped and now we're all the way back. So I don't like when stuff like that happens. Past 1 week, crude has been working out really well. I made about 600 every day. Then I lose on NQ sizing up. Yeah, I mean, don't size up. Do not size up. Do not size up. I'm going to size up. Dude, I'm telling you, this short is working out. We've taken it a couple times so far. By the way, CT, wait till I throw out my next one. You guys are going to fucking die laughing. I just make them for fun. The more I have fun with it, I just laugh. Let it go, baby. I just realized we're holding the pivot point. We were holding the pivot point. Personal daily loss limit, you could do that in here. You just go to you go to reports, not reports. You go to application settings, risk settings, and you can set your daily loss limit in here. So you could definitely do daily loss limit on what do you call it? On TradeOvate. Dude, this account was down $1,200 this morning. You guys have no idea. It was down $1,200 while my kid was fucking screaming that her pants don't match her outfit. I was so annoyed while she was 45 minutes late for school. Girl dad, like, bro, you have no idea. What up, coach? Fred, I can see a 600-point drop from here. I completely agree with you, Keith. Let's say you set a daily loss limit and you set your... Yeah, well, you can change it. You can change it if you want, Baba, but yeah, it'll just stop you out. Yo, girl dad life is fucking crazy. What up, Kyle? Yeah, if you guys took that short, I mean, you're up a bunch, like a bunch. I mean, that indicator that I put that video on just worked. So not only did the indicator pop off, but we also got a bearish engulfing candle as well. So you kind of got double. Bro, you have no, I mean, you know, my kid's only 8, so I'm just dipping my toe into the craziness that's coming my way. I took it off the indicator flashing plus the bearish engulfing candle. It kind of just made sense. Yeah, just probabilities were there. I still like it further down, but this is the 21 on the 5. I kind of want to see. I want to see us trade like right here as the 9 continues to push us down, and then we just kind of let it go. Four girls from 10 to 21, bro. Woo, baby. I went back to the well one more time to see if we can get below. Sea of estrogen, dude. It's nuts, man. So yeah, so I yelled for about an hour this morning while I was trying to trade. While pants didn't match the outfit. Dude. Hope you're on some TRT. I would. I don't think I have that issue yet, but I would definitely do TRT shots. One of my friends did it, but like, yeah, I would definitely do it, but I don't have any of the symptoms of low TRT yet, but I would fucking definitely start taking them. I'd be all about it. My friend told me about it. He's like, man, I've been, he was like kind of embarrassed. I was like, bro, I would 1,000% do the shots. 1,000%. I'd be all in. Nicotine and lots of coffee. Go full HGH, fountain of youth, but money. Yeah. Yo, I mean, we reclaimed the pivot point here. Pivot points reclaimed. Kind of looks like they're going to end up pushing this back up. What up, James? Damn, now we're just going to chop, sit, hay. Dude, I don't need it, but I thought you had to get tested. My friend got tested, and he had to hit a certain number to get it. What up, Nathan? Yeah, he had to hit a certain number of whatever the fuck however they measure it, and he didn't hit it. He hit it, but like, I just don't think I don't think I'm gonna hit it. I would love to do it though. Or do you just tell a doctor like, yo, bro, just hook me up? I need those levels to be like all the way through the roof. I've heard only good things though. That I will say. Oh man. Doc, 1,200 is a lot. Doctor won't let me get above 850. Dude. Mr. Eamon. Why if you're done having kids? I gotta ask. What happens if you're not done with kids? I'm done with kids, but I'm just kind of wondering what happens. Bro, eight, is that even, does the thing even go that high? Do they bring in a different measurement thing for you? And they're like, yo, this one hit the high. Yo, bring in the other one. Damn. 247 is low. That's interesting. Yo, goes to 14,000. Good morning, Marie. Yo, to get a different doctor. Yo, what up, Pine? What up? Dude, do you just go on like Hims, I guess? You go on Hims and just fucking see the doctor on there and the guy hits you with it, or? Dude, yeah. Yo, do you eat nails for breakfast at over 10K? Bro, I thought 10K is ridiculously high, isn't it? Come on, man. Move this back up. Bro. No, you have to actually go see a doctor. Dude, have you seen that Kid and Peele thing when he was trying to get cannabis? And he's like, well, do you have a headache? He's like, no, I got AIDS. And he's like, well, I can't give you AIDS for this. And he keeps saying all these like diseases. He's like, tell your back hurts you. He's like, my back hurts me from AIDS. And the doctor slaps him. Yo, it's like a marijuana card in Cali. Yo, you need to bro. There's a clinic in every strip mall. Yeah. No, I used to smoke when I was younger. I would say I have TMJ, that the jaw shit. Dude, shit's wild. You only know 2 guys over 40 that are not on it. Where do you live? I'm just curious. Are you in like you're in Texas, right? Who's like order filled prescription? Dude. I could see people in Cali all being on it. Not gonna lie. I could see like a lot of people in LA being on it. People that live by the beach on it. Beverly Hills being on it. Like I could see that being like a big thing for the guys. Yeah. Oh, what were you like? You were like, dude. Were you doing bodybuilding, I guess? It's a lot. I'm sure you were massive. You were either massive or got super fat off of it. But yeah, I assume you were like massive. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, I don't know anything about it personally, but 60 pounds in 3 weeks, jeez. That's what I see some of the people that I know that have done it for a longer amount of time. As soon as they stop, they get soft. Dude, you guys wild. Wild. I've never done it, to be honest with you. I've been working out since 14. I played Division I baseball, so I've been working out for ages. But at this point, I never got. That would have made me way too big to do what I was doing. Yo, what up, Josh? Dude, fucking Apex rebuild me over the weekend. Actually, they rebuild me. I got hit with my rebuilds just as I was looking at my gambling for the Super Bowl. Here, Josh, I'll just light one up for you, man. Here's a 150K. Yo, Josh, I appreciate it, man. I just fucking clicked the wrong one. Yo, I appreciate it. I was looking at getting some Tradeify accounts yesterday, and I was gonna do it today, and then I got fucking rebuild with all these Apex accounts, and I was like, are you fucking kidding me? So Josh, I was supposed to have 2 squares I paid $500 for 2 squares, and he forgot to give me one of the squares. So I only got one, and I did not hit. I might message him today and be like, man, the other square you're going to give me would have won. But I was like, I'll just leave him alone. I have Ninja Trader. I have Ninja Trader on my other screen. Well, yeah, because I paid for two. I paid for 2 boxes, and he filled out all the boxes, and it only showed me there once. And I was like, bro, you left me out on a box. I paid for 2. He's like, my bad. He's like, craziness over here, and he just sent me back money for one of the boxes. Well, my bias is actually short ever since I made that video. This was what I made the video about, and it played out, obviously, because this would have been, you would have shorted at 70, but like, we're not really getting a push. But I was playing that. So happy I played that. I played that. I wrote some puts today. I wrote some Tesla puts today. I wrote some LMND puts. Yo, LMND just hit 38.60 before, Josh. Only up like 20 freaking percent from when I called it the other day. I wrote some CLSK puts. And that was it. Yeah, definitely. Super tear. Threw him in the old Discord. I'll take a look. Whoa, my duck's going to fall. Come on, buddy. First Form energy drinks. Dude, freaking wild. Bro, what's going on with that company, man? I feel like there's something going on that I don't know about. I honestly think they're going to trade for a while at like 18 to 25, and then it's going to start ramping back up. But I don't think you're going to ramp back up for at least 6 months to a year. Pelosi's shorting it. Yo, I'll tell you what, once Pelosi comes out and says she buys something, I am dunking my freaking nuts in it. All in. What up, Horizon? Check out your parlay. What'd you hit? The fuck? I didn't. Dude, what parlay is that, dude? That's not even just, you weren't even betting Super Bowl? That's hysterical. Bro. Wild. I bet Super Bowl. That was all I bet. No. What? You're about to blow my mind right now. What are we looking at here? Congressional investment site? What does it list all the investments that these fucking crooks are doing? Is it called capital trades? Oh yeah, capital trades. Dude, that's wild. I didn't watch UFC, but I saw Strickland got his face bashed in. I will say though, this kind of gets over. It's kind of looking like you're breaking the trend on the 5-minute. You got a nice little hammer getting made on the 15. The hourly doesn't look amazing, to be honest with you, but it might just. Dude, I'm looking at the parlay. It wasn't Super Bowl. It was a 3-team parlay, and it was. Dude, I don't even know what that is. Was that soccer? Did you bet soccer? Oh, that was UFC? Dude, I'm so out on the fights. I will say I feel like UFC is easier to bet than anything else. All seriousness. I've hit more times on UFC than anything else, by far. Oh, you got that? Yo, I'm betting Skeens is plus 400 for most strikeouts next year. I think I'm going to take that. Yo, you went to the hospital? What'd you go to the hospital for? Oh, is that when you said you passed out and your legs didn't work? Yeah. You went. What'd they say? Freaking wild. They tell you anything? Trend on the 5-minute is still down, and then short term is actually down also still. Oh yeah, you were telling us it was a panic attack. Well, at least you got a one look over. Now you know everything's good. Dude, I bet. That's crazy. Make back this fucking half that loss from before. Dude, I couldn't imagine being, you have to spend money in the next 6 months. Is that like Brewster's Millions when the guy's got to spend money? Oh, you got to spend. Oh, you got to buy stuff that's worth $250,000 over the next 6 months. What, you getting a house? Yeah, wedding in a house. Yo, that indicator did work, Baba. This market looks shitty. It looks like we're gonna tank. I go back to the well again on the short. Let's see what happens. It's just an eval. Just an eval. Dude, that's wild. What state are you in, Eamon? Are you in like New York or Cali? Yo, Monty Brewster could have played for the Yankees. Oh, you live in LA? Yeah, I believe it then. Dude, weddings are crazy in New York. By me, fucking, my brother just had a destination wedding, and it was 120K. That's where I was in Mexico, not this weekend that just passed, but last weekend. He told me it cost him about 120,000. $400 people? Yo, can you make it 401 for me? Yo, the boys aren't invited, I guess. He's freezing us out. Dude, if I lived by you, I would fucking swing by. I would give you a nice gift to cover my fucking plate, unlike some of these other people that show up. But yeah. Wedding crashers. DGen style. Yeah, I'm over in New York, man. I'm far away. I'm actually going away next weekend. Next week I'm going away. I'm going to actually next week. You're gonna see me stream probably Asia. I'll probably stream a bit at night. I'm gonna be going to I got Disney next week, and that's my last trip for a while. That's my last trip till June. Join them, just jump on, take the same flight, just party it on the plane over. Shit. Yeah, I'm going to Florida on this Monday coming up, and I leave on Friday. So why I'm in Disney, obviously I can't stream during the day because I'm going to be at the parks, but I'm going to be streaming at night a couple times, and then that's my last trip for a while. Oh, your family's in finance and lawyers? Yeah. Where do they live? I'm guessing they live in the city, I would assume. Dude, this thing's just trending like. See, there's no news today. So that's why you're having a day like this. There is no news. My lady spam's normal. I'm sure you get a whole collection of different people over in LA. I've actually never been to LA. Never been. I've been to San Fran. I've been to Napa. I've been to some other parts. Never LA. Dude, that's like everywhere, man. I live in a great area, but I get bored over here too. Yeah, no clubbing for me. Not even a little bit of clubbing. Dude, this is Awful price action. Not like just a slow grind. Yeah, I believe that. Rent's expensive, man. The rent is too damn high. Yo, what up, Jawan? Trump did tariffs, and then China retaliated with tariffs on Sunday, and I thought the market was going to tank and it was going to be crazy, but apparently something changed. You know? Yo, good luck, man. I'll talk to you later. But the price action has been kind of just like, I don't know. You moved in the morning, and then we kind of hit like, I don't know, for the last hour and 15 minutes, we were just kind of trending down, but like slowly. I only went to LA once. It never came up. Wait, what never came up in LA visible? Anybody having rhythmic problems? I am not having rhythmic problems. DW is possibly the worst. Wait, what's DW? Dude, I missed that. What's DW? Yeah, it started way down. When it was down that much on Sunday, I should have just fucking bought with some accounts. Oh, Disney World. Dude. The problem is I have young kids, so if I go to like a beach, like say I go somewhere nice, dude, they're just going to want me to play like nonstop with them. With rhythmic, your things are frozen? Holy shit, my rhythmic account's frozen. 1136 is the last trade I have. Oh, see, my kids love it. It does cost a fortune. My kids love it. But if I do another vacation, they're like bored. And I'm like, dude, just chill out and watch me drink. But they're not into that. Like, they don't want to hang out in the pool, let the sun hit them, and just watch me knock back a couple. Yo, my rhythmic has been frozen since 1136. Let me see about my Ninja Trader. My Ninja Trader seems to be working. Josh, you ain't kidding, man. They want me all day. All day. So, yeah. I just listen, I don't mind it, but I just do the vacation that, is like that. So we're going to do Disney. Yeah. I mean, we were following, just trending down, but you're stuck in a trade, Marie? That's not great. I don't know if it's going to trigger. They'll probably fix your account though. So I really wouldn't sweat it. Oh shit. I'm exhausted. Why is Rhythmic having issues all the time? I don't really know. I just think that there's more people using it, maybe. I think a lot of people are using it. Did you got food poisoning and I had to go to the ER? That's crazy. Can trade my ETF $26. Dude, I know so many people had problems with those people, Andy. I'm not even going to get into it, but Kevin, I'm not really sure, man. I do not actually know for sure what happens. I don't, you know. Oh, you know what I meant to do, Andy? I'm going to do during lunch. I am going to look at your options thing, dude. You put the file in options. I see you did something last night. But I am looking for yeah. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people are. I'm sure there's a lot of people messaging them right now, Marie. They're probably just gonna fix it and not message anybody back, and then reset everybody's account. That's usually what they do if there's like a massive issue. Just keep the screenshots. That's all. That's all you can do, and then they'll fix it. Though, trust me, they know there's an issue. I'm sure their support tickets are just being lit up. You know, dude. There's nothing on their Discord. Usually, Yeah, I'm sure they'll fix it. I wouldn't worry. If there's a massive outage like this, I'm sure they'll do it. Oh, dude, it's 12 o'clock. I gotta fucking eat. I definitely have a surprise for you guys later on. We're gonna do something on the afternoon stream. You guys have been asking for it, and I'll deliver. So we're gonna have some fun. I'll be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code CoveTrader. Naked trading? Maybe. But yeah, I'll be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the channel, use the coupon code. I'm going to be honest with you, just to have my thoughts. There was no news today. I think we're just going to chop around a big range here. I would just look for support, resistance, and I probably wouldn't look for breakouts or breakdowns. You're probably going to trade somewhere in this zone for the majority of the day and then watch it move towards the end of the day. All right. I'll see you in 2 hours. Peace.